Hey everyone, so for today's video I'm going to be trying out sealing wax. I'm so excited. I've always wanted my very own stamp, and so I'm going to show you how it works. So sealing wax has been around since the 16th century, and if you don't know what it is, it's when you use wax to seal up an envelope. People back in the day used to make their very own custom seals that they would actually destroy once that person passed, and I just love that. I think that's so cool. They do make generic ones today if you don't want to make your very own, but I did end up getting both, so I will show you. I ended up getting my wax and stamps from a site called Nostalgic Impressions, and the wax that I'm using here has a wick at the end of it, which you can see. They recommend holding this wick about 3 inches above the envelope at a 45-degree angle until you drip a little pool of wax into your desired spot. You then place your stamp into the hot wax, and you want to leave it there until the wax hardens. They recommend using a sponge to kind of dampen the stamp to make sure it doesn't stick, but I didn't have any problems. I personally love this application. I found it so fun to personalize my letters. I ended up getting a dragon stamp, a heart with flowers, and then my very own custom logo stamp. They do make other kinds of wax, so if you're not a fan of this like soot effect, I personally love the kind of darkened stamp that kind of happened with the smoke from the flame. It makes it more dark and spooky, plus I'm a fan of fire, so I really liked this technique. But if you want your wax to be as pure as possible, then they do sell wax beads, or like I found this out, it's so cool, they sell like these wax glue gun thingies, which really keep the wax color nice and bright. So it really just depends what you're going after, but I personally love this technique. I had so much fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope I inspired you to try your very own sealing wax, and maybe you'll make your own logo. But yeah guys, thanks so much for watching, and have a great rest of your day.